and I overate to the point where it makes me kind of feel like...
Have you gone through today?
Yeah, a little bit.
Increase in anxiety, depression, and suicide rates directly tied to unfettered access to social media and smartphones. So removing that from the classroom helps them focus more. We started this program with a pilot program in a lot of our schools across the state over the course of the last couple of years. And with that drop in drug usage, we saw a 57% drop in behavioral issues in the classroom and a huge increase in the focus. Have a big impact. We had a little pushback on the front end from students, including at my own household, but it's, I think, one of the best things that we can do for our students.
I'm not going to say one word about what a miserable wretch you are. If you cannot behave like the clear-headed woman you are, I will ask Sarandon to give you 2 black eyes for the one I took away. You did not even thank me for that. Now go to sleep. Naive's eyes widened indignantly. At least she did not look on the point of tears, but Elaine slid
Fucking asshole! Fucking asshole! Fuck! Look.
Five, that they have the ability to maybe sign 2 or 3 players and sort of spread that money around. Sort of is definitely a replacement for either Taylor Radity or Andrew replacement for either Taylor Radity or Andrew Manchikani, but there's room for that.
So here I was driving along Loop 101 when my attention is drawn to this vehicle right here. They got their hazard lights on, not sure why, and then I see the hood of that vehicle. This right here is the reason why you don't drive on a freeway when your hood is not secure.
Jesus. Wow.
West 9000 South.
Damn, dude. What the fuck?
Oh. Fucking idiot.